So here we are, crap to cream, Saturday afternoon, engine and gearbox now in the bottom shed, and I've started stripping things down, as you can see. So I've got the engine off the gearbox, and I've found the reason for my rattly. I had a rattle when the engine was at idle, not in gear. I just had a little bit of a rattle going on, and I thought it was something to do with the gearbox, and I was right. So the release bearing here, it's a roller type, but it's that the roller seems okay, but it's loose. And then when I went to the clutch plate, the cover plate, sorry, this is all. So that was loose. So the clutch plate, driven plate looks okay, not too bad. Getting a bit close to the mark, but not worn out, so no marks on the flywheel, thankfully. Yeah, so I never did fix the oil leak on the side of the engine here on that cover, so I've got to obviously fix that up so I can get the bits off this engine now to finish this one off. So I've got a high inertia starter motor to put on, replacing this one. I've got my electronic distributor to replace that one, and this heater tap which leaked anyway, which is just a real not very good job. I'm going to go and replace that. I've got a new one of them. The engine itself's okay. I don't know, does anybody know what these are for? So the new heads, I don't know what they're for. So there's 4 of them, obviously, so I'll have a look when they go into the cylinder and see what they do, but just if anybody's got an idea what they are, that'd be great. I haven't seen them before on a cylinder head I've worked on. Yeah, so the flywheel looks okay. Looks okay, nothing, a bit of a clean won't hurt there. So I've drained all the oil out and gearbox oil. How about that for balance? That was a pretty good first hit to get that right. So now, yeah, I'll clean those up, make sure they're okay, and then I'll dispose of those via marketplace, I suppose. 2 of them now. Yeah, alright. That's it. As usual, thank you very much indeed, subscribers and all that wonderful stuff. And I'll continue on now and take what I need off this one, put it on that one, and then I'll wait for my new gearbox to arrive, my MX5 gearbox to put on here, and then I've got the supercharger in a box over there I'm going to put on this one as well. But I'll put the supercharger on when the engine's in the hole, and new water pump. Doesn't matter how much coolant you drain out, whenever you tip the engine up, more coolant always comes out. I don't know where it all comes from. Anyway, that's, yeah, so just spills everywhere. It's alright, messy stuff. Alright, take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you soon.